वेलकम टू कैंडिड रिव्यूज। मैं हूं देवशीष और आज मैंने सुबह 4:30 रामायण द ट्रेलर नहीं देख पाया। सुबह योगा क्लासेस के लिए जा रहा था, तभी मुझे नोटिफिकेशन मिला और मैंने थोड़ा सा बंक मार के ये ट्रेलर देख डाला। और नमित मल्होत्रा प्रोड्यूस्ड, डायरेक्टेड बाय नितेश तिवारी, who directed Dangal, by the way, जो अब सबको पता चल चुका है। They have released the Ramayan trailer. And people have gone bonkers over it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट आफ्टर आधा पुरुष का जो हाल हुआ था, जो हमारे इमोशंस के साथ जो खेला था उस डायरेक्टर ने, उसके बाद हम लोग डेस्परेटली वेट कर रहे थे कि प्लीज़ अच्छा रामायण या महाभारत कोई तो बनाओ। आमिर खान ने बोला मुझे 3 पार्ट्स चाहिए होंगे या मे बी मोर पार्ट्स चाहिए होंगे और बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा चाहिए होगा बनाने के लिए, बट दैट इज़ हिस्ट्री. Namit Malhotra and Nitesh Tiwari collaborated and spent a gazillion rupees for this movie, and we have witnessed possibly one of the best visual effects cinematic masterpiece. इसको मैग्नम ओपस बोल सकते हैं हम. And here we are, Ramayan. Ranbir Kapoor as Ram, Sai Pallavi as Sita Ma, Sunny Deol as Hanuman Ji. ट्रेलर में नहीं दिखे. That is the problem statement. But I will talk about what was working about this film is the brilliant detail. I really admire the detail in the costume. If you see Ramayan's exile moment, जब वो वनवास जाते हैं तो उन्होंने जो केन का कवच पहना होता है, चाहे वो चैरियट का रथ का टायर का डिटेल हो, the मुकुट, the मणि, everything is spot on, hyper detailed.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
And thank God, because Indian films में the level of detail, research, background work, pre-production has not been yet seen to the level of what we have seen in Hollywood or be it any other film industry. This is the first time we are going to witness something as big as Ramayan with its due credit. Last जो रामायण हमें याद है वो है दूरदर्शन का रामायण, और यंगर जनरेशन को तो वो भी याद नहीं है, वो उनको ब्लैंड लगता है, वो उनको बोरिंग लगता है. बट एवरीबडी नोज दैट वी इंडियंस डिजर्व the best of the best Ramayan depiction on the biggest cinema screen ever, and Namit Malhotra is possibly almost step by step reaching there. High hopes with this trailer. बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद लगी है. There are few problematic things which I felt, and I'm going to share that, but yes, the frame rates seems like 25 FPS, which is too not cinema like. लग रहा है मैं कोई TV serial देख रहा हूँ, but probably I'm hoping to see it on the big screen. Maybe it changes. It is made for IMAX, so hoping that we get to see the best of the best versions of this story. I loved Sai Pallavi. I loved her version when she goes into exile. जब वनवास में जो version है, her simplicity actually is beyond the decked up version of Sita Ma when she gets married and all of that. I really loved the Vanvas version more here. I loved Indra Devta's Vijayanta, the chariot. The elephant looks majestic. I loved the detail. I loved the snowy feel. थोड़ा थोड़ा आधा पुरुष का याद दिला रहा है, but I think that war scene will be really, I'm hoping it just kills beyond anything that we have seen before globally, चाहे वो Dune हो या Lord of the Rings हो या GOT हो. Problematic areas were again the Lanka being white with golden embroidery and golden carvings. Problematic was Sita Ma looks like Palika Badhu here at certain moments, with a very strong voice though. Very strange feeling I got watching her delivering the dialogues. Ranbir Kapoor as Ram, he looks stressed. When he shouts, मैं रावण को मारूंगा,
तो तीनों लोगों के सामने उसका वध करूंगा. मैं अपनी सीता को वापस लाऊंगा.
उसका वध करूंगा. Ram looks stressed here. And Ravan, उसकी आवाज, मैं आया हूँ, मैं लेने आया हूँ,
तुम्हारा नया राजा.
ऐसी पतली आवाज. Aminan, थोड़ा सा मोटा चाहिए. I mean, you might disagree, but I feel that Ravan is a powerhouse of demonic characters that we have ever seen on screen, and he deserves that weight, that volume, and that menacing. Yash is not menacing. I'm sorry. Even on the poster, if you're looking at it, it looks like धुएं में से कोई ऐसे झांक रहा है ऐसे. Yash is, I feel, overhyped.
सुल्तान, अबे रुक, क्या लगता है भाई? अबे लग रहा है, छोड़, अबे
Could have been some other actor. I don't know who, but definitely not Yash. It needs to be stronger, it needs to be taller, probably broader, maybe a little of age in Ravan would have been great. It almost looks like he's a big brother of Ram's, Ranbir Kapoor's age gap. Age gap भी नहीं है ज़्यादा. So kind of I'm not that excited about Ravan. This jump also looks a little weird. Why is he jumping sideways? But my faith is with Namit Malhotra and Nitish Tiwari. There must be something. Arun Govil as Dashrath with that wig-like hairdo could have been better. Rakshas without the seeing looks as if haircut करवा के आया है. Lara Datta looks irritating. That those 1 or 2 frames she is like पड़ोसी में बहन जी नहीं होती जो हमेशा चुगली करती रहती है और तुम्हारा बुराई चाहती है, हमेशा ताने मारती है. I mean, Surpanakha, great casting. Surpanakha, she looks by far the true Surpanakha.
रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना. नहीं,
उसका नाक ऐसे काट के ऐसे कर रही है वो. अरे ऐसे करना, उसका नाक कट गया थोड़ा. If I were Nitish Tiwari, I would have asked, if somebody chops off your nose, how would you react? Would you do, oh, दर्द हो रहा होगा ना इधर हाथ क्यों लगाओगे, इधर तो नाक कट गया ना. नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा के पहली क्लास में जो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, मुझे चोट लगी, मुझे चोट लगी, मुझे इधर मारा. It's like, oh, I won the Miss World. But nevertheless, the technical prowess that Dean Egg has shown. Unfortunately, Hanuman is not there in the trailer. That would have been the best part of the trailer. It is very important to understand that whatever you do, big, small, medium size, whatever star cast, whatever budget you do, definitely the storytelling is the important part, but something that drives the storytelling is editing. The trailer cut is very weak. I mean, if you see the previous teaser, it had impact. It had literally goosebumps. A.R. Rahman and Hans Zimmer's sound score timing was perfect. Here somehow I felt like I'm watching an average film. It felt like a linear cut. अच्छा स्लाइड शो चल रहा है, अच्छा ये भी दिखाना है, सूर्पनखा दिखा देते हैं, रावण दिखा देते हैं, दशरथ दिखा देते हैं, अच्छा सीता मैया दिखा देते हैं, लक्ष्मण शॉट दिखा देते हैं, बाण दिखा देते हैं, वॉर सीन दिखा देते हैं. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Most of us know about the story. How can you create curiosity is through editing.
बात तो सही है.
And don't let the viewers know that you're going to see that same storytelling in this Ramayana. Don't show the nose cutting. Overall, I think the edit cut could have been much, much better. Candid Review's rating of Ramayana, the trailer, will be a 4 out of 5. High hopes. High hopes. Nitish Tiwari sir, you have to do it. Please don't play with our emotions. Please. And once this is released in Diwali, I'm going to see you once again on this channel with my Candid Reviews thoughts. Thank you for watching Candid Reviews. I am Devashish और ये books मेरी बीवी का है, मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. Thank you. Bye bye.